bitches in the future?
This is Wheel of Fortune, Joe!
Bitcoin is the future.
Yeah, that's it.
Another Moondog trading video. What an awesome day, guys. I mean, exactly as we predicted. We didn't meet our targets here, which would have been the bottom here of this wedge, which coming out of this wedge, that would have been the target. But you guys know the deal. It's coming out of the wedge. We talk about this bullish pattern, and this was on an hourly chart, but I like the 4-hour coming out of this. So anytime you're on an hourly chart on a wedge, I like to see the 4-hour close. And then once I saw the 4-hour close, I knew we were going up from here. It was a great time to get in. I actually just loaded the boat on Ethereum, like I said the other day, based on, based on this chart right here, which we are hitting this monthly high right here. But based on this chart, which is the Ethereum and versus Bitcoin dominance, I went ahead and I loaded the boat on Ethereum over Bitcoin because I sold my Bitcoin at the 42,000 mark, like we talked about in my video, and then I said how I put it all in Ethereum, which was a great move. It was an awesome move. I'm glad I did it. I hope some of you guys did as well. Listen, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. I also talked about this in yesterday's video. We're gonna go back to the Bitcoin chart real quick. But yeah, we hit our wedge. But if you looked at my ribbons, we were so close. We had the 37,600 mark as a potential bounce area, and we bounced off of 36,500. So it was pretty close. But we did end up getting the bounce, okay? And I said in yesterday's video with the wedges that I don't think we're going to meet these targets. I said, I don't think we're going to meet this. I don't know if we're going to meet this target up here because coming out of this wedge, 42 would be the target, okay? We got to see if we get rejected here again at this trend line. Plus, if you guys look at the fibs, these will be our levels, 46, 42,500, 56. These would be our fibs to look out for. You could see we got rejected at the 618 area. So let's keep an eye on that. Now, if Bitcoin does not hold up this 37,500 area down here where it hit at the bottom, I think we could fill the gap. And I'll go to that chart, which is right down here. I think we can get into this box down here around 33,600 or 33,300 area. If Bitcoin fails and starts to roll over and we get a daily close on this 37,500, yeah. But right now my target's around this, my purple box here. And then we can extend this and hopefully we get a daily close above here. If we get a peak and then get rejected back underneath the bump and run, which I'll show you guys right now, which we talked about forever on my video here. Which, guys, if you watch my old videos, I drew this up and we were all the way back here. Okay, I drew this line up and we were all the way back here. I think I even drew it in the beginning of June or mid-June. We weren't even in July yet. And we got our bounce, perfect. And so everything has worked out exactly in my videos, exactly how we predicted so far. I posted this. We're going to just go to Stock Twits real quick. Stock Twits. Okay. We're going to go to my profile here. You can see last night. Let's see if 24 holds and we get to our target at 31, which we did. And I'm going to talk about Ethereum right now, right? So we talked about if we closed under here, this would be bearish on the daily. But if it's only bearish if we come up here and we get rejected and this 42 area doesn't hold. Then we could come back down and see this 23, and you would look to take profits if we got rejected. Well, we didn't get rejected. We blew right through it, and you can hear in this video how I talk about it in my last video and yesterday's video. You could hear me talking about this, and I spoke about how all this would play out. And I'm also going to talk about the golden cross on I'm also going to talk about the golden cross on Ethereum as well. So just take a listen to yesterday's video real quick. If we close underneath here and then we get rejected here and roll over, we'd want to hold this level right here. Okay. If not, then we're going to be looking for the 23 level down here, the 23, 21 level. But if we close and we come up in here, then we're back into this and we can go higher and higher and higher. Okay. So those are the two potentials that we'd be looking for. We want to see this level hold. And guys, I'm not a fan. So that's what we talked about yesterday. So the level held, we got the bounce we were looking for. Okay. Last night I posted that on StockTwits. Okay. We got the bounce. Everything's looking good. Guys, I'm still looking for higher targets. Now on Bitcoin, I did show you this. Let's see. I think I got a ribbon somewhere here. Did I not pull up a ribbon on Ethereum? Oh yeah, here we go. Is this Ethereum? Okay, perfect. So we had our $2,700 area, which we just recently ended up breaking, which was the previous high, right? So we ended up breaking that. Now we would look to get up for this 2854 area. And then look at this, guys. Our target coming out of the W pattern, okay, that we talked about, the W pattern at $3,100 is exactly the 618 fib. So that would be our target coming out of the W pattern, which is right here. You guys can see the big W. I did have it outlined before. But yeah, you can see right here on the daily, we had boom, touch, boom, 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 boom. And I talked about if we broke this area, 31 would be the target. We were buying down here on my video on the bounce. I was buying Ethereum down here. So if you guys watch my old videos, you could tell I was telling you, hey guys, I'm buying at these levels. And then I sold a little bit up here. And then I talked about how it was going to bounce right here. And then I was going to buy back in. We got the bounce. Everything worked out perfect. So I added more Ethereum to my wallet. Also, I sold my Bitcoin when it went on a huge run at 42. And then I bought the dip on Ethereum right here again, or added more to my Ethereum position. So, I mean, everything has just been working out perfect. I talked it out through my videos. Everything is perfect. Even if you bought and you waited for the W, like I said, if you guys weren't in it, you would still be up 13%. Okay, and we're looking for more. Now, guys, this is very important. We're also seeing right here on the daily, we're seeing a golden cross, guys, on Ethereum. So not only are we just in a really bullish pattern, okay, and we're breaking to the upside, but we're also getting a golden cross here, okay, which is absolutely beautiful. We have our higher targets here at 2842 and at, oh wait, we already talked about that, right? But yeah, so, and here's our box. So yeah, we're above the 100. We got the golden cross. Everything's looking good, guys. Everything is looking absolutely beautiful. This was an old fib I did. Which I had to change because it should have been brought down. Or oops, sorry. But you guys saw the other fib. Anyways, but yeah, everything's looking really good. If we could close above this weekly high, that will be even better. I mean, so everything's looking really good for Ethereum. Things are still looking good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I believe, will get higher. Ethereum's going to go higher, I believe. So guys, this is just awesome. We're all making money. I love all you guys. Just make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel. That's all I'm asking. Moondog Trading. Just sub to my channel. Hit the bell, hit the all, because they are shadow banning me. For some reason, I don't know. It's because they're doing it to new YouTubers that are doing. I just started this channel, so I think they're just doing it to new YouTubers that are trying to start crypto channels. They don't like us too much, I guess. So make sure you guys hit the bell, hit the all, so you get my videos right away. I am so happy for all you guys making money. I hope you guys listened to my video yesterday and you held, because we didn't get under 24. So the whole point was just to hold and then go back up. If we went under 24, that would be the time to get out. But we didn't. We held that 24 line. So hopefully you guys held that. And, if you guys followed me last night after I posted my video, I did it right here on StockTwits right after I made the video at 8 o'clock, because we got the close. I said, let's see if 24 holds and we get to our target of 31. So it did. It held, and now we're going to the upside, okay? So listen, much love to you guys. I really appreciate you guys subbing, watching my channel. I'll do an update here either later tonight or tomorrow, depending on if anything changes. We want to see 37,500 hold, which I can actually bring this down a little bit, because I was a little bit off on that. So 37,500 holds, and if that doesn't hold, then I do look to fill this. Look to go down lower to, I said, around the 32 to 33,000. I'm looking for maybe 33,500 area for a possible bounce. Fill CME gap that we have down there. So that could be a possibility if we get rejected and we don't hold that 37.5. If we do, I predict more upside. And if we break out of this bump and run, then I'm looking at 46 would be my first target. Okay, so much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys sub and hit the bell and hit the all. Much love. I'm glad I can walk you through all these moves, and we're making money together. Guys, thank you very much. And this is exciting. This is awesome. So peace out and have a great night.